About 7 o'clock Friday evening. Got heavy snow again, huge flakes. You see them in the light.
I'll try to grab one. No, I'm not going to do that. Sorry.
Wind still blowing.
Man.
I'll be watching you sidelines far enough away so I don't get spattered by anything that may or may not hit the patient.
Okay, it's now 10 a.m. Saturday morning, and this is what we wake up to. Heavy snow and drifts much, much larger than they were last night when we went to bed. That's about 2.5 feet right there, right outside our door. And still snowing heavily and still blowing a lot. So we lost power last night at around midnight. It's probably down to about 30 degrees on our room. And we have no idea how much more snow is coming. What are the chances you think that we get out by tomorrow?
By tomorrow? Probably, I'd say 50%.
Cool. Okay, there's a lot of snow, but there's the Explorer. You can see there's a drift coming off the hood. So that's probably a good 4 foot drift on the Explorer. So before we even get out, we're going to have to do some shoveling because we're in a parking lot. And it's still snowing. It looks like moderately right now, but there's so much wind and so much blowing that visibility is really low. There's another car in the parking lot, just the front hood's buried in snow. Just the drifts around the house or around the building. And no sign of stopping. Okay, don't know how well you can see with all the snow blowing. Jeez. This is the biggest snow drift coming off of a building, and it's probably at least 10 to 12 feet high. And it's so cold out here, it's very windy, absolutely miserable. There's actually people sleeping in their cars. Rooms are taken. We were lucky enough to get a room. Or people walking around. If you look way down the road, you can see the road closed sign. That's our way out. Hopefully, the back side of the Explorer. See the snow drift probably 4 to 5 feet. It's just in there pretty good. Really want to get out this afternoon. Hopefully, this sucks.
There's Joel. Just got done clearing the car away, the back of it. So you can see there's quite a bit of snow on either side of the car. He's piled up here on the side. Got a nice trail for the tire. God. Yeah, I'm ready. It's now 1:53, and we have now successfully pulled out of our hotel, and we're making a dangerous attempt to get out of town. What else? We've already crossed the road closed sign. Fallen some snowplows way up there.
Decision time, maybe. So we no longer have the plows in front of us, but we're just going to try to make it to Stratford anyway. It's 39 miles.
Do that.
Should take a little over Stratford. With a ground blizzard going on. Snowfall's quit. Still blowing though like crazy. If we stop, we're probably done. And then we're just skating right now anyway. I've actually got the engine turned off. We're just going to slide into Stratford. Frictionless.
There we go. There we go.
We thought we were out of snow, but it had started snowing again. We're condition. We're in drifting snow. We're now about 3 miles outside of Boise City.
I can't see anything.
36 from Stratford. Ground blizzard going on with moderate snow. It's hard to tell with the snow.
Oh, and there goes the windshield wiper broken now.
It's hard to tell with the snow because it's just white everywhere. There's definitely some flakes coming out. We're just hoping if we can make it to Stratford, we have a good feeling we'll be okay, but it's just making it to Stratford. We're driving in the left lane because it's very clear to the right.
Gosh.
Freaking out right now. It's heavy snow again. Actually, I think it's heavy snow again.
Yeah, it's definitely snowing pretty good.
Yeah, snowing heavy again. I thought we were done. About 20 yards total. The second, third power line ahead of us barely. It was ridiculous. We've gone approximately 6 miles, and the snow, it wasn't snowing at all in Boise City. We actually thought it was done. Now we're in heavy, heavy snow. Probably another 1 to 2 inch an hour snow. And a ground blizzard. Actually, full-blown blizzard. That bag is now we're riding it. There's something in that area. Look at that. Semi off the road.
That makes you feel great.
Really, the only thing saving us right now is there's a ditch to our left that's collecting most of the blowing snow, so it's not drifting across the road. This is insane and very dangerous. Reed Timber probably does not have the balls to do something like this. He would be pulled over into the fetal position crying. We haven't seen any cars, so if we go off the road, we're off for a while.
Semi number 2. This one's not upside down.
It looks like he had some trouble. Jeez, he ended up way off the road. He was probably going pretty fast to end up there.
He's still in there.
Look at the drift. That's a huge drift.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, we're now to Stratford, and there's the road closed going north out of Stratford. And hopefully they don't have the one going south blocked.
You see the road's gotten a lot better, though.
Yeah, the roads are almost melted and actually dry in some spots. All the trees are iced.